There are dozens of AI tools, but you only need to know about 3 to get started. By the end of this video, you'll have your account set up and ready to go. The big 3 AI assistants. Think of these as your 3 assistants. They are similar but have different strengths. The first and the most popular is ChatGPT by OpenAI. It's the most popular AI assistant in the market. It's a great all-rounder. It's best for creative writing and brainstorming. There is a free version called GPT 3.5, but there are paid versions called GPT-4, about $20 per month. The second best is Claude by Anthropic. It's more conversational and nuanced. It's best for long documents, detailed analysis, and it also has a free version and a pro version. And I personally like to use Claude as compared to ChatGPT. Then the third one, and again I use all 3 of them, but I would use the third one, which is Google Gemini, for research and up-to-date information. It's very well integrated with Google products, and it is free with a Google account. Now, as a user, you will be confused which one should I choose. So I would recommend start with a free version of ChatGPT. Very easy to use and very user-friendly. And you can always try Claude or Google Gemini or Perplexity, and there are several others later once you're comfortable with one. For this particular videos and the course, I will use ChatGPT because it's the most common AI assistant used in the market today. Now, open a browser, click chatgpt.com. You will see this page on your screen. Now click on sign up for free. Now, because I already have an account, so I won't sign up right now, but you can sign up with a Google account or a Microsoft account or Apple or with your phone, whatever is your preference. So now I will go to my login page because I already have an account. When you log into chatgpt.com, the home page has a text box or a chat box, and you can ask ChatGPT anything that you want AI to help you with. If you want to open up a new chat, you can always click on this and it would open up a new chat. Now, when you start using AI, you would have asked questions in the past and you would be asking questions now. So you can always open the sidebar and you'll see the historical chats that you've had with AI. Then with ChatGPT, you can add your photos and files so that the responses are very contextual. You can add them from Google Drive. You can create your images, which is quite popular if you have seen Instagram posts or other places. You can use ChatGPT to thinking, to do deep research, to study and learn. Like recently, I started learning Python coding with this module because study and learn module in ChatGPT will curate the courses for you. And you can do a normal web search, and there are unlimited number of things you can use ChatGPT AI for. But this video is primarily focused on signing you up so that you can get started. Now, one question you would ask me, do we use a free version or paid? Honestly, start free. You get plenty of features and upgrade later if you want faster responses, smarter models, you want to generate images, priority access, but for learning, free is perfect. Don't make these common mistakes. Don't create multiple accounts thinking you'll get more usage or more free usage. One account is more than sufficient to begin with. And more importantly, do not share your account with others. You can always ask others to create their own accounts. It's free. After watching this video, your challenge is to open ChatGPT and ask, tell me a fun fact about AI, and post whatever answers you get, post them in the comments or wherever you're seeing this podcast, post it over there. Now, next video is the exciting one. Your first real AI conversation where we learn the basics of prompting. The better the question, the better the response from AI. So make sure you're subscribed. And until next time.